Hello guys, welcome to our channel Mystic Tarot World. Today we are going to do a quick collective reading for those who are not in contact with their partner, with their person of interest, and they want to know how their partner is feeling right now. So this reading will be a quick collective reading. This is not sign specific or gender specific reading, and it is a general love reading, so it will resonate with someone and it won't with someone. So yeah, let's see if you are not in contact with this person, how are they feeling right now, what thoughts are going on in their mind about you, about this connection. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing my channel. Yeah, let's see how your person is feeling right now when they are not in contact with you. How is this person feeling? The one who is not in contact, how is this person feeling? How is this person feeling? Okay, we have two cards. The first is Empress, Taurus energy. Second is the Lovers, Gemini energy. What more do we have? How is this person feeling? How is this person feeling? The next card is Five of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Six of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sag. The next card we have is the Hierophant. This is the Taurus energy. And the next one is the King of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. The person you are dealing with, I think by each passing day, they are falling deeply in love with you. I feel as if they feel drawn to you. They want to be intimate with you. They want to be close to you. They want to have you, but they want to have you. They just want to have you. They are quite attracted to you. They feel like they are at home with you. They feel comfortable with you. The kind of wisdom you hold, the kind of stability you have, the kind of balanced approach you have towards this person, they like it. They love that. They really want to be close to you. They really want to have you in their life. They feel as if you are a marriage material, someone they can have a long-term relationship with. You have these motherly vibes which they want to experience once again. They are missing you. I'm definitely seeing they are seeing your picture, or maybe seeing your post, spying on you, trying to, they are curious about you. They want to know, because they feel you are beautiful, you are flawless. As a person, you are quite amazing, and they don't want to lose you. They want to have you. I think this person is quite attracted to you. With this Lovers energy, Gemini energy, I feel you might be soulmates. Divinely guided and protected connection. They are experiencing these synchronicities. They feel as if they're guided towards you. Their soul attracts your soul. They want to grow old with you. They want to find a stable relationship with you. They want to sustain it in the long run. Definitely, this person loves you a lot, and they are realizing it. Day by day, each passing day, they are experiencing a bit more how much this person loves you, how much they want you in their life. But the only problem is this person can't trust you. Maybe there was some sort of misunderstanding, or maybe this person didn't trust you. Maybe they feel as if you are always defeating them. You are always talking to someone else. You are always into a relationship with someone else. You are seeing someone else. They don't trust you. And that is the only problem I see here. Whenever they are with you, they try to keep their heart safe. They feel as if you are going to break their heart, and they don't want it to. Trust issue is the major problem I see in your relationship. This person don't trust you, and that is a whole problem causing agent over here. They need to trust you. They need to, trust their intuition. They know they love you. They know you are not seeing someone else. But still they show this jealous and insecure I'm definitely seeing this person is intimidated by the love they, by the way you love this person, by the way they are intimidated by the love you show to them. They are intimidated by this whole soulmate thing. Maybe they don't know what this connection, why this connection is so intense. That is why they are always insecure about losing you. The beauty, the inner and outer beauty you radiate, that is just too much for this person. They can't take eyes off you. They can't take their eyes off you. They keep staring at your pictures. This person wants to clarify something. Maybe they were having a misunderstanding about you and they want to clarify it. They want to know what the truth is. They will come up very straight. If you're not talking to this person, which you are definitely not, if you're watching this video, you are into a no contact zone with this person. This person is coming up with drama. They are going to be very questioning. They want to question you. They want explanations. They want answers. They're looking for answers. This person wants answer. They want to clarify some things with you so that they can trust you more. They can give better into this relationship. Okay, so they will come up with harsh, argumentative state of mind, which might put you off guard. Yeah, for some of you, you won't like this behavior of this person. I mean, they are not taking any action from a long time, and when they are coming back, they are being so dramatic, as if they don't need you, you need them. You're being needy here, right? So you want them to apologize, to be more trusting. That is what you expect out of this person. Yeah, and that is they are going to come up with totally opposite state of mind. They are going to argue with you. They are going to maybe clear some things with you. They want to clear the air. Yeah. I'm also seeing this person was not taking action from a very long time, and they say you aren't either. You both are in this, being into power. You are into your power zone and they are into their power zone. Both of you are not ready to give in, but this person will. They will take the initiative and talk to you. They want to clear some things. They are curious about you. They don't want to lose you. Yeah, they see you walking away. They see you taking a stand for yourself, and they don't want to lose you. Yeah. With the Six of Wands, I see this relationship flourishing, going to the next level. It will take time, maybe 6 months, but it will happen. You will have victory with this person. Yeah, they are quite determined to have you in their life. They see you as a trophy, not in a bad sense, but they really see you as someone they always dreamt of. They always wanted to have in their life. They were always wishing for. And now when you are, you are theirs, they are taking you for granted. They are not talking to you. They are not trusting you. And this is not going to help. They need to understand this. What more do we have in this person's intentions? What next? Okay, King of Cups. I think they will come up. They will open up. They want to express. Their intention is to express their love and feelings for you. They don't want anyone else to express their love to you or anyone else to have you. So they are going to come up with a very direct and clear offer. They are going to express how they feel for you. Maybe they were not from a very long time. They were in this hierophant mode, analyzing, thinking, just taking time for themselves. But now they will come up with a very straightforward offer. What more do we have in their intentions? Okay, the next card is Strength. Maybe because they left maybe they ghosted you, or maybe they left the situation. Now they are feeling quite hesitant to talk to you. They want to connect, they want to reconnect, but they don't know how to. They want to talk to you, they want to connect, but they feel as if they don't have enough strength to talk to you. They need to gather strength. Their intention is to be more strong so that they can approach you. Yeah? What is their next action? What is their next action? Immediate next action. What is this person's immediate next action? Okay, 3 of Cups. What I'm seeing here is they just want to clarify. They just want to clarify whether you are with someone else or not, whether you see other people or not, whether you're dating other one or not. They want to clear the air, and they will do it. They will want to clear whether you are with someone or not. They can't see you with anyone. Yeah? What are their next actions? Immediate next actions. They want to spend good time with you. They want to be close to you. They want to be intimate with you. They want to spend good time with you, celebrate surprise dates. Maybe they are planning a surprise date for you. The immediate next action is King of Pentacles. They want to offer you something. Maybe they are planning how to. I told you they are gathering strength. And once they are confident enough, they will offer you this pentacle, the token of love. Yeah? But they will come in a very harsh way, I think. They are going to show very rude side. Maybe they are not going to be quite emotional when they are expressing to you. You will feel this person is quite rude and harsh. They need to be apologizing. They need to be sorry for their actions, for not talking to you, for ghosting you, whatever the reasons were. But they are coming up very in a very king-like poise. Maybe you won't like it. Yeah? Knight of Wands. I'm also seeing for many of you, this person, they come in and out of your life. Maybe they will come in, clear some things, and just as fast as they come in, they will leave the situation. If they are not convinced whatever you are saying is true, they will be just running out of your life as fast as they were into your life. They will be rushing in and out of your life. This person is quite immature. I feel you are dealing with a young individual who is maybe quite immature, who doesn't know how to behave, who doesn't know how to be, into the relationship, be consistent, not being in and out of the relationship. Yeah? What is the overall energy of this connection? What is the overall energy? The Star. Wow. I think things are going to fall into place once and for all. Things are going to fall into place. You need to be hopeful. If you are meant to be with this person, which I definitely see yes, but this person needs to trust you more. They can't be inconsistent with you, and they can't ghost you and come back and make you feel like it wasn't a big deal. It's okay to ghost and to come and go out of your life. They need to be consistent with you, and I think the future of this relationship is very positive. Yeah? Let's see what advice do we have from the Wisdom of Oracle. What oracle messages do we have for you? These messages will be for you. What messages do we have? First is the higher power. I think you need to step into your higher self. You need to love yourself more. You need to respect yourself more. You need to understand how much you can allow the person, like the person you're dealing with, to take the decisions and take control of this relationship. You need to love yourself more. Come in your higher power. Come in your power. You need to accept that This relationship is not all about them, it is about you, it is about a partnership. Yeah, and if you love yourself more, if you respect yourself more, if you respect what your needs are, you won't allow anyone on this earth to play with your feelings. Okay, so yeah, what more do we have? Observer. I think you need to notice more, you need to observe more. Observe the other person and observe the situation and observe yourself like a third person. See yourself from the outside. Are you in a good state of mind? Are you overindulging into a relationship? Are you becoming codependent on this person? Are you becoming, too needy? If yes, please don't. Because that is not a good thing to be. That is not a good state of mind to be. Yeah, be an observer. Observe things and see the reality. You don't need to be blindfolded all the time. Yeah, let's see what handwritten advices do we have for you. What messages do we have? The first message is new cycle. New cycle is about to begin in your life. Be ready for this. Yeah. What messages do we have? What more do we have? New beginnings, new cycle, new beginnings. Definitely new beginnings. Many of you. Be ready for this new beginning. Peaceful. Maybe you're going to a more peaceful state of mind. Maybe you're going to a maybe more peaceful relationship. Yeah. What more do we have? Career, job. You need to focus on your career or job. Maybe job change or career change. Something is on the plate for you. What more do we have? Last one. What more do we have? What messages do we have? Okay. Voice. Maybe you're missing their voice or they are missing your voice and you're going to receive a voice call from them. So yeah, that was it. I hope you like this reading. For many of you, let me clear you this. Many of you are going to receive call or text from this person in the next 3 days, maybe 6 days or a week, max to max a week. Okay, expect this call and text, manifest this call and text. Okay, be positive. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing my channel. See you in next video.